Wow. Okay. We definitely have hail here. It's nothing big, but still. This just came out of nowhere. A pretty long hailstorm, too. Huh. Well then. Let's see if I can grab some. Yeah, it's not that big. Not even pea-sized hail, but still. It's coming down hard. Ah, it must suck for the people walking home from school that didn't expect this to come. Getting a little harder now. Let's see if I can get one of the harder chunks now. Oh, there's a big chunk of hail right over there. That's a pea-sized chunk. That's the biggest so far, though. Huh. There was just a tremendous flash of lightning before I started this video. That's calming down now. I'm gonna go back in and continue my playthrough. Wow, though. That came out of nowhere. Like, literally, it was sunny one moment, and next there's hail coming down. And this is out the back door. It's like, not 5 minutes later, and there's, like, a nice coat of hail on the ground. It's borderlining snow, though, which kind of sucks. But there was thunder and lightning, so it is hail. Unless this was a thunder snow, which would be very strange. Okay, I'm going to put my shoes on, because there's a giant pile of hail in that chair that I want to pick up right now. Look at this. I'm getting pelted. That's all hail. And it's still coming down. Not as much as it was, but it still is.